Today we are going to learn how to write the hiragana character E. E is 2 strokes. The first stroke begins with the brush pointed up and to the left, pushing your brush down, and then exiting the stroke, making a small point to the left. And as if you are connecting the first stroke to the second stroke, bring your brush down and to the left, stop your brush right about parallel with the first stroke at the top, bring it down to the left, and then up about 1/3 of the way of the line before bringing the brush back down and to the right, exiting the stroke. The whole character should fit inside a triangle like this. Bottom of the stroke should be a little bit higher than the end of the stroke on the second stroke.